Turn, you keep looking, okay? Okay, hazır, ready? Hop, hold on. Move down, Ömer, move down. Distancing taraf. Tut ligi. Hop, in. Smiling, you stop. If I see people not screaming, every time you cut, you scream, hey! 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 Okay? Okay. Notice I can say if you make a mistake with your feet. If you make a mistake, no problem as long as you're trying. But those other two things, smiling and looking, you have to, no excuse. C'de çok mu? Para çok mu? Let's go. Hazır. As we do at the end of every practice, before salam, thank you. Remember what I talked about in the beginning, right? How to carry yourself, how to stand. Okay? Do it. Okay. Okay. Slowly. Okay? Alright, thank you guys. I will see you Sunday. And please don't run out. Okay, walk. Okay, ready? And watch where you're going to. Look, be aware of your surroundings. Don't just be like running, you know? Okay, that's it. Alright, I'll see you guys Sunday. Ready? Okay.